If you want to see 3D buildings while viewing a route in Google Maps, you can do it through the desktop web version by using satellite view and enabling map tilt. This gives you a more realistic, immersive look at cities and landmarks along your driving or walking route. To begin, open Google Maps in your browser and search for your destination. Once it appears, click Directions and enter your starting point. Google Maps will generate a route based on your selected travel mode. After the route is displayed, switch the map view to satellite by clicking the Layers button in the bottom left corner. Satellite view is required because 3D buildings are only visible in this mode. Next, zoom into a city or urban area along your route. 3D building models only appear in supported locations, usually major cities with detailed mapping data. To activate the 3D perspective, click and hold the map while dragging with a mouse. On most browsers, holding Shift while dragging allows you to tilt the map view. This changes the angle from a flat map into a more realistic angle perspective. Once tilted, buildings begin to appear in 3 dimensions, showing height, structure, and shape. This helps you better understand your surroundings along the route, especially in dense city areas. You can continue following your route while staying in this tilted satellite view. The path remains visible, allowing you to track turns while also seeing surrounding buildings in 3D. As you move along the route, you can zoom in and out to adjust how much detail you want to see. Closer zoom levels reveal more detailed building structures, while wider views show the overall city layout. Keep in mind that 3D building coverage is not available everywhere. It is most common in major cities and may not appear in rural or less mapped areas. Even so, when available, this feature provides a more immersive navigation experience and helps you better visualize your surroundings before or during travel. And that's how you view 3D buildings along a route in Google Maps. Set your route, switch to satellite view, tilt the map, and explore buildings in a realistic 3D perspective while navigating.